Volkswagen Crafter 2025 model. That's the facelifted version that now comes with MIB3 updated system, the same one that you get on the latest Volkswagen Golf 8 models. For these models, if it's a panel van, then you can spec the original reversing camera from the factory or have it retrofitted to the same specification. However, what happens when you have a double chassis cab like this one here? This one has a platform at the back. You can have a tipper like this one, or you could have a Luton body, which is like a bigger box sitting at the back. Is it possible to have the original Volkswagen reversing camera fitted to those models? In this video, we're going to answer this question and show you what options are available. So let's get to it. So the new Crafter comes with the 10.3-inch screen that you see here. This is the upgraded version, and the screen is the same as you get on the new Volkswagen Golf 8. So it's a much bigger improvement to what the Crafters were coming with before. So you can see it's got a much newer technology in here, which is a nice surprise for these popular Crafter models. For single or double chassis cab vehicles, there is no factory option for the reversing camera. So this car here has the front and rear sensors, but it doesn't have the camera. So you can see the cab and obviously the platform at the back and sensors and radars at the front and back showing up, but it's not going to have the camera. So is it actually possible to add the camera to this? So these new infotainment systems are running on the Ethernet connectivity. The same as very similar, not same, but very similar to the ones we use for our broadband connections. You know, the cable that we plug in to the broadband and to a socket usually in the wall. That's the Ethernet cable. So it's the same kind of technology that now is happening in these new infotainment systems. The previous generations, the pre-facelift models, were using analog video connectivity, but the new ones now are digital and it all runs via the Ethernet connection. For the panel van models, Volkswagen has an option that you can spec from the factory or have it retrofitted to the same specification, the original reversing camera. But for the chassis cab vehicles, there isn't an option for Volkswagen, and that's where the problem comes up. Well, you could think, well, why don't you just fit just aftermarket camera? Fair point, but these systems now, because they're running on the digital Ethernet connectivity, you can no longer plug in aftermarket or third-party cameras to it to utilize it through the new big 10.3-inch screen. So the aftermarket cameras can only come with the additional screen that you have to mount in the cabin. But if you want to have a fully integrated camera, the only option is the original. But it's an option that only exists for the Crafter panel vans. It doesn't exist for the Crafters with single or double chassis cab because there are no mounting brackets for it. So can it be done? Let's have a look. So here's the answer. The camera can be fitted actually. We've done a custom job on this car. As you can see, it's got the rear panel for the lights and the registration plate, and actually where the sensors are sitting as well. And we've got the camera just above the registration plate here, which is the original Volkswagen camera fitted to it. So let me show you how it looks from here. So again, this is not a factory option, this is a custom job, but showing you that it is possible. And now that you see it, let's see how it actually performs. So now that we're inside, let's hit the reverse gear and we show you how it actually looks. So you've got your guidelines, which is the active guidelines. They move with the steering wheel. We've still got the sensors here showing front and rear. And obviously the car has a tow bar fitted, which you can see perfectly in here. Now, if I make this bigger, this looks actually a little bit better this way because it's not that narrow. It's utilizing the size of the screen here. And you can see that it fully works, fully integrated. And if we turn the steering wheel left or right, you can see the lines moving with us. So yeah, let me just get the volume down. There you go. All working, fully integrated. We're actually also reversing slightly just to show you when it's moving. So guiding us through. So actually, if we try to park in one of the bays here now, you can see the white lines coming up and how it performs. So reversing this car now, because it's such a long car, sensors obviously it's a good thing, but you couldn't see your tow bar earlier because it was installed. So now with the camera you can actually see exactly at the back how you know, if you're going to hit or not. So I'm going to coast even closer. That's where the hedge is, and because of the camera now we know we can go a little bit deeper, because the sensors were beeping and showing us here that there's something at the back, but we know there's a little bit more space because of the camera. So let me just make it big again so you can see it's in there. Now, to compare the performance of this camera upgrade that we just completed on this chassis cab, you can check our video here that is showing the retrofitted reversing camera done to the factory specification on the Crafter panel van. So you can compare between and see how the factory option compares to the one that we just created, something that is not available from Volkswagen, but it's done so it's fully integrated as well, utilizing all the original Volkswagen parts. So go ahead, click on the video now.